Okay, I need to tell one thing very clearly first. I'm not a financial advisor. It's been a while. I'm trading, doing day trading, sometimes swing trading, and last 1 year was not good for me. But last couple of months was not really bad. I was like not losing. I was not losing, and I was kind of sometimes making some money. So I was quite inspired that why not make some YouTube videos, and that's why I do it. And I'm not a financial advisor. Hell no, I'm not a financial advisor. Very simple guy. So just want to tell you that, and I just share my opinion. I'm not going to forecast or I'm not going to predict anything. I'm not a magician. So just telling you in advance, I'm not a financial advisor. Just for education purpose or entertainment purpose, I make this video. Thank you. 4th of December, Monday morning, 8:47 a.m. EST, Eastern Time. Pre-market looks quite bearish. And as I mentioned earlier, at least in the first 15 minutes or 20 minutes, it should actually come down. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down to 231, even 229 or 230. And at that point, I expect a bullish reversal, I would say. Then the market should go up. But maybe because I've seen the news yesterday, there are some insider sales. Person, I think, chief financial officer or someone from Tesla, he sold that person. Sold 4,000 of Tesla's shares. Maybe it will impact the market a little bit. It might. That could be a reason. And also sometimes in the pre-market and also in the first 15 minutes, market actually push down to take the price lower a bit. Then people start buying and the market goes up. Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully, uh, I think. Let's see what happens. Right now it's 8:49 a.m. So right now is 9:38 a.m. I'm actually waiting for the first 15 minutes and especially the reaction after first 15 minutes. All right, like around 9:50 a.m. I will observe the candle what's happening after 9:45 or 9:50 a.m. But quite optimistic that it should be a green day. But it opened around 9 sorry, 235. So I don't think it will go much above 240 one or two. I do not really see any huge movement to push the market above 240 today. Maybe I would say tomorrow or day after tomorrow, it should be above 241 or 242. Yeah, so 239 here. Yeah, maximum I see is 242 is the highest for at least today. Maybe tomorrow, or we're gonna start seeing some sort of positive movement in the next couple of days, I guess. But as I mentioned earlier, I was also a little bit skeptical because of the news of a sell-off, like a 4,000 shares sell-off. Maybe it's even more. So I was not 100% sure, but yeah, December should be at least first 15 or 20 days should be good and should go uh, up. It's pointing up right now, still now, until now. Let's see what happens. The reaction is not too bad, but I think I would wait until it's gets settled above the VWAP line. It has to be settled above the VWAP line. It's not so easy, but I kind of like this green candle, this huge green candle. Where is my magic stick? Here is my magic stick. These green candles, specifically these green candles. It's beautiful. But I think I expected zigzag around here, then it should go up. Hopefully. Okay, this sign is not really comfortable for me. Where is my stick? Magic stick again. Okay. This red engulfing, especially after this shadow tells us a selling signal, and these two selling signal. The third one also, there are some sellers at this on this shadow. And after that, red. See, the market is going down. Market is going down. This is not really a good sign at all. It's 10:12 a.m. ET Eastern Time. I'm kind of scared right now. It's not good. It's not good at all. This dangerous engulfing red candle. But still, there are some hope because here is a green candle, here is a upward movement. Maybe it will bounce back. When it comes here, maybe it might bounce back. Hopefully. I really hope it will bounce back at this point, 235 or 234-ish level. But right now, I see the market is going down, I think. Let's see what happens. And as I mentioned earlier, Monday should not go up right away. I think it's trying to create a strong support at this level. It's not yet that strong. It will not go up is right away, right? Not like this, obviously. I can see that. And it's crossing the VWAP line again. Let's wait until this candle completes for the 5 minutes. But right now it's going down, really. 4th of December, Monday, 10:18 a.m. ET, Eastern Time. I'm from New York. It's not so easy to go up. It will take some time. It will take some time. But so far, I do not really see uh, any signs of a crash like hell. But I'm kind of skeptical about this red candle. But let's see what happened. But I kept telling you this, that it's not going to be so easy to go up. It's not in a really good shape, but let's see what happens. See, it's going down. It's now crashing almost. Uh, let's just wait for some time. So after this huge red candle, the market obviously went down as I was scared and I was expecting a downfall. What I see at this point, it established itself below VWAP line. 236.85 is the VWAP right now. It's already established itself, I guess, below the VWAP. I think the entire day should not go above 237, the entire day. But my point is, if the entire day is staying above 233 or 232 and trying to uh, go up again and again, for example, I'm expecting this kind of movement, then it will fall. Again, another movement, it will fall. And the end of the day, I want to see an upward direction, like 3:30 or 3:45 p.m. or after 2 p.m. I do not want to see a downfall. I want to see at least it's trying to go up. In that case, it's almost sure that it will be up and tomorrow will be a green day, probably. And the rest of the week should be bullish, I guess. But again, let's have a look on the hourly chart. Uh, hour, 1 hour. Okay, what happened in the first 1 hour? First 1 hour is not really good, not really great, I guess. But here is the thing. I already draw a line, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I draw this line here, 232-ish level. There is a great sort of support, and what I was expecting, I don't think it's going to go up all the way all of a sudden. It will try to establish 100% that it's a support. And at this point, I really see it will go down to 232. Maybe even it will retest the 226 level, where after that it went up, right? So it's not impossible to go back to 226 or 228 level. But if any day, if any of this day of this week, if it goes below this point, 224, then the market should crash to 210 or 12. That is a possibility too. That is a possibility too. If it's if any of the day opening below this point, 224. You see here, 224 or 225. But right now, I'm still optimistic that market will actually reverse and start to go up. Not bad. Two green candles forming. Well, 11:05 a.m. ET. I see a little chance of reversal, but still it shouldn't go above VWAP today. I don't think it's gonna go above the VWAP line, or to be precise, I do not think it will go above 237 today. But it's gonna touch this line of 235.75. That I'm quite sure. But the problem is, it seems like it already broke the support of 234. like at the beginning of the day, it was a good point because it started the day from 234.80 to 35.62 and around this level, 235. But I think it's actually broke this. Maybe it will go down later of the day, afternoon, or around 2 p.m. As I mentioned earlier, it's not so easy to just reverse the market all of a sudden. Yeah, I think it's going to be a green candle eventually. So at this level, you see the line here I draw 232.72 or something. You can put it, you can bring it a little more down, I guess 231.61. At this level, I want to see a consolidation kind of thing, like going as a side by side. I don't want to see it go below. I want to see a side by side line and eventually a little bit upward movement. That's it. And after that, market will move up. That's for sure. But if it comes below this line and close below this line, that's actually a danger sign. But still, there is another hope of because it has a history of reversal at around 226. So that's another chance. But I don't really want to see it go that way. I want to see it goes up, 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 up. Quite a good move. Quite a good move. See? And as I mentioned earlier, this is a good candle. Very optimistic candle. This one. I love this kind of candle. And it went up. Very good move. I don't think it's going to settle above the VWAP line, but at least it should come back down to this level, and then it will try to go up, possibly. But yeah, it's a good thing it didn't came below 234. It actually bounced back, right? Good sign. Uh, 1 p.m. Actually, 1:07 p.m. What a reversal. What a reversal. I was expecting a, zigzag movement or consolidation, but rather it actually went up and up and up. I think almost at the end of today, I mean, almost to the highest point of today, I guess, I think maximum it will touch 240, maximum like 240 maybe. And I'm kind of expecting a gap up day tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I think it will be a gap up day tomorrow, like it will open above 239 or 240 tomorrow. And from there, it will go up the rest of the week. It's going to be quite bullish, I guess. And I think I will finish right here for today. Again, I already said I kind of like this kind of candle. Let me show you this. This one. Exactly, I'm pointing at this candle. Okay, this movement. After this candle, market went up. Again, I'm getting this kind of candle. I was a little confused because it was trying to come down, come below the VWAP line, but it actually reacted. So this is the main thing in the stock market. Wait for the reaction. Reaction is very, very important for the stock market. It actually reacted along with the VWAP line. It's a very good move, you know. So I was kind of hoping that it will finish at 237. I think I mentioned in my around 11 or 10:30, I already mentioned that 237 should be, but I predicted a something wrong as well. Like I thought it will come down back from this 237. It actually went up. It's actually good. I think bulls are coming, you know. So I think that today it will finish around this point, like 237. Maybe it can go up like again to 238 or 230, around this level should end by today. And I think this week, midweek, and end of this week should be quite good if we do not see any other bad news or any negative thing. I think it's gonna be a good week, hopefully.